Hi, my name is Fran, and in this video I'm going to show you really quickly how to delete a funnel in Clickfunnels. So let's go. Well, in reality, you can't really delete a funnel, but you can archive them. And let's see how to find that. I will choose this one to delete or to archive in this case. So if you don't even know how to get here, you'll just go here to Clickfunnels and click on funnels, and it brings you up to this page with all your funnels. You'll see favorites, recent, archived, and marketplace. So we'll just choose a funnel here, this one, click on it. We'll enter the settings, scroll all the way down, and here you'll find a button that says archive funnel. And that's all you have to do. Click on this button, archive this funnel. And the good thing is, you'll free up space for the funnel if you need it, and you will find it here in archive. So you can always come and get it back. As you can see, I have plenty of archived funnels. So your funnel is gone. It won't show up here anymore, but it will still be here in the archived section. So that's it. Pretty easy, right? That's how you delete a funnel, or archive in this case. If you want more ClickFunnels tutorials, or if you want to learn techniques, how to monetize your channel, or your content, your blog post, subscribe to this channel and you will learn a lot about creating content and earning what you actually deserve.